Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Secretly Pink. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram at secretlypink_, and that is on period. All right, y'all, so I have a surprise. So what I'm gonna be doing today is cutting me some bangs, period. I'm about to be cutting me some bangs. So y'all, this is the first time for me. So I trim my hair all the time, but I have never cut bangs. So hopefully I don't end up on Brad Mondo's channel. Brad, you know, keep me in your prayers. So I basically just want some little bangs. Like, I have a massive forehead, so we want to cover as much as we can cover. So the main reason I want to cut my bangs is because these, like, it's just not cooperating. Like, my hair has been freshly washed and I parted down the middle, my permanent part that I always have. And I did get some hair scissors from my local beauty supply store, and let's just get started, y'all. Like, we just gonna go for it. So I'm just gonna part in my 4 sections that I always part in. Make sure that was a clean part. And I'm just gonna throw the back section into a ponytail. And I am not going to be cutting all of this front hair. I just need to, you know, heart beating a little fast. So, okay, let's take it easy. Let's take it easy. Okay, that's enough hair right there. Okay, we're gonna take this section, we're gonna take it back. I'm gonna start small and I'm gonna gradually go from there. Y'all, I'm nervous. I'm never nervous about cutting my hair. Okay, so I had to fix the back because it was just not cooperating. So here is my little piece that I put together. So I'm gonna do a little bit at a time so we can cover this up as much as possible. And if push come to shove and it comes out ugly, we're just gonna put it in ponytail. So let's start off. Y'all, I can tell this is just not about to be cute. Oh my gosh, this is about to be so funny. All right, where do we want our bangs? And should I do the little flippy thing? Okay, we're gonna do the flippy thing. We're just gonna keep it right here under my nose. Shit. All right, here we go. Bangs. Bangs. Oh, why did I just do that? We have bangs, guys. Ooh. Yeah, oh my, no. Oh, why did I do that? Oh no, oh. All right, okay, so at least it was only this little bit, so we gonna make sure these ends stay a little long, and we're gonna cut these a little bit shorter. See, that's why we start off small, guys. And we gradually work our way up. By the way, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I just wanted me some little bangs. That's enough bangs for me. That's enough bangs for me. That's too much. That's too much. Let's break this piece in half as well. You guys, I'm so nervous. I haven't had bangs since I had a perm, and that was damn near 7 years ago. I probably should have did a triangle, but hey, we here already. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, let's start in the middle again. And we're gonna flip it around like so. You guys, I've cut my hair, like I've literally went bald. Like I cut all my hair off and was like, I don't care. My mom woke up and was like, what the hell? Yeah, girl, I ain't got no hair. Your daughter is bald. We're doing small pieces because when, oh, why am I going straight? Why am I going straight? Let's go up and down. Okay, it looks like we cut enough. I think that's a good amount. Give some bang-gangs. I think that's a good amount. And we're gonna leave it at that. So I'm going to style my hair off camera and bring it back, and we're gonna see the final look. So y'all, it's just hair, so it'll grow back. So in the next couple of months, it's probably gonna be down to my jaw. So I'm not even gonna worry about it, because that, if I straighten my hair, that's still enough for me to work with. Alrighty, so this is what it's looking like wet. I just styled my hair, so I did some little finger coils up at the front. I can definitely see I really need a haircut, because this side is slowly coming back from me straightening my hair back in November. This side, not so much. You can even see it in these couple of curls up here. May the Lord be with me. Like, what is going on here? So I'm gonna defuse and come back, and I'm gonna show you guys the final look. So y'all pray for me, pray for my hair, pray for this side, because clearly this side don't want to get it together. So, and I'm going out tonight. We're gonna have to put this back in a smooth ponytail. When y'all see these pictures tonight, y'all gonna be like, either it came out good or we just had to just stick that back in the ponytail. So let's diffuse and then see what the final look is. Alrighty guys, this is the final look. It's growing on me. I have never seen my hair look like this. You can definitely tell this side is a little bit more relaxed than it is on this side, but that's okay. We gonna fix it. We gonna do something with this look. I'm enjoying it. It's fun. I think this is the new look. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think I like it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and put your comments down below. Let me know what I can do to fix this. But I mean, to be honest, it looks really good to me. And here's the amount of hair that I cut throughout my entire head. I did, you know, cut some of the sides of my hair so that it could form to my face. So I did a little chopping, but I think it looks really good, and I think I'm gonna wear it like this for a while. So you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.